Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody, guys. First I would like to congratulate all Catholic Christians with the coming Easter and this Sunday, so it's a very great holiday. Today is the holiday in Europe and United States, and hardly we will get any significant activity. So the week is coming to an end. Yesterday we said that probably another tick down should happen before we will see possible signs on upward reversal, and it seems that indeed this tick down is still in place right now. Also, we haven't got the bullish grabber that was possible in the beginning of the session. Despite, guys, this minor upward action, I still think that market is not done yet with the downward action. So here is just minor continuation should happen, because we have different targets on other currencies that has not been reached yet. For example, if you'll take a look even on the weekly chart, for example, an Australian dollar, yes, it has not really big correlation with the euro, but both of them still stands in relation to the United States dollar. And if you'll take a look at the weekly Australian dollar, you'll see here we have incompleted yet OP, major target of this ABC top pattern. So if even we will take target right from this candle, the OP will stand still untouched. So it seems that minor continuation here still probably will happen, right, in the confidence support. The same we have on the New Zealand dollars, also on the intraday chart, major ABCD XOP target. XOP means extended objective point, 1618 extension, also has not been reached. That's why on the euro currency the same story. That's why I think that despite this minor bounce, market is not done yet with the downward continuation. So on the 4-hour time frame chart, when the market was in this position, we said that probably another leg down should happen. Market is calling right now around major support levels, and we have talked about the last outpost for the bulls. So we said that euro currency right now stands in such place, some kind of the edge between the bullish scenario, bullish setup, and bearish setup. If market will break this area down and taken out of these lows, well, this will change context on the daily chart. And yesterday we already have talked about some mismatch between the upward straight rally here and sharp reversal in opposite direction. This is not a good sign for overall bullish setup. So in today's session, guys, I don't think that we will take some trades before the long holidays, but we could keep an eye on this setup that we have on the hourly chart. Take a look that our XOP targets 2270 still has not been met. Market hasn't tested it, hasn't reached it yet. Here is forming kind of the channel right now or something of that sort. And maybe this could be treated as in kind of the free drive pattern. It's not really very clear and very good looking, but it's a kind of relation still stands between the drives. So take a look. The second drive stands at 127 of the first, slightly lower maybe. Now it stands in completion of the second drive, and it's kind of the Gatlis triple to sell is forming inside of this. Third drive, as you can see, should stand around the crossing of the 1618 of the first and 127 of the second. So market right now stands slightly higher, but in general they stand very tight to each other. So from that standpoint, this construction corresponds to all features of the free drive. Also, you could see this very good looking divergence with the hourly MACD. So that's very often happens that the direction that the divergence is accompanied to free drive pattern. So that's and completion of the free drive corresponds to our major XOP target here. So you can see we have all details in place that theoretically could trigger the reversal here. But the one thing that we should need to get is the reaching final point. It's around 2270, it's completion of the XOP. So appearing of that construction around the major FIB support, so we have on the follow time from 2277 is major 618 support. Significantly increased chance on at least some technical bounce. So for example, if market will reach it, it's very big chances that at least some retracement, technical retracement will happen, if even market later will fail the bullish continuation and will return it back down and destroy all bullish construction. It's also possible, but appearing of the bullish pattern around the agreement on the 4-hour time frame chart, because this combination of the 618 support and the ABCD XOP targets creates an agreement. If we will try to take the position based on this pattern, it's probably will be able to move our stops on the break-even if at least some harmonic retracement here will happen. So if we'll measure kind of retracement here, you can see this approximately, or maybe even there, here it's even smaller. Anyway, for example, if market will show the bounce up from here, so let's move the stop break and move the stops to the break-even and watch what will happen. So this will mean either market will continue move higher and will show indeed a reversal, or this will save our money if the bullish setup will be broken finally here. Well, that is the advantage that we could get if we use the significant support areas and clear bullish patterns that is forming around this support. Although currently, guys, maybe this is kind of an exception, because this free drive doesn't look like clear pattern. It's a bit choppy, but as I said, the extensions mostly corresponds to free drive feature. So combination of the extensions in one place and divergence. So it's not really bad chance that maybe market will make some attempt to reverse around 2270, 2275 area.